In this video, I'm going to show you how to record in Krita. Now to do this, you want to go to settings up top, hover over Dockers, and you can see here towards the middle, it says recorder. So click on recorder and it's going to pop up somewhere over here. For me, it's down here bottom right, and you can see this is the window. I usually just like to basically pop it out like this so I can see better, and I like to make it a bit bigger as well, just so of course I can kind of navigate everything in one space. So whenever you do that, you can see, of course, you can select the recordings directory. So this is where your recordings are going to go. And then you have the capture interval, you have the format, quality, resolution, threads, etc. Now, whenever you want to start recording, just hit the record button over here. And there we go. Now it's going to start recording. And whenever you're done, hit the stop button and you're good to go. Your recording is going to get saved whenever you click on the export button and select where you want to export it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.